Hi, I'm Nathan, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you through how to create streamline plots on ParaView. So this is something that I do quite regularly, and I'd had some troubles doing it in the past, so I thought I'd make this video so that anyone else who's having the same problems can just copy along with the steps I'm doing. So the goal in this video is I would like to generate a streamline plot of a cross section of my fluid domain. As you can see at the start, I have U, V and W, which are the components of velocity in the X, Y and Z direction respectively. So what I've done here is I've taken a cross section at the plane X equals 0. So here I have taken V times J hat plus W times K hat, which is just to say the Y and Z components of velocity. Because it's restricted to the X equals 0 plane, we're not interested in plotting the X velocities, as these would come out of the plane and it's not what we're interested in. So as you can see here, I've plotted the velocity. This is the velocity field of the simulation that I've been carrying out. So now I'd like to generate a streamline plot of this right hand side, what is now a rectangle cross section of the domain. So to do this, I'm using a point of lines to seed the streamlines. So this means that it's going to use the Runga cutter to grate from points on this line with the velocity field. So as you can see here, this has created a load of streamlines along this line, which is good, and you can see it's capturing most of the flow features, but you can see there's some areas which it has missed. So what we're going to do to capture these areas is we're going to create another streamline plot. With the thing to note is, you see how I've pressed streamline tracer here? It was doing the streamline of the streamline, which wouldn't work. So you have to go back onto the calculator so that it is then recalculating streamlines for the calculator, because to do a streamline of a streamline, it would give you some nonsense which wouldn't have any meaning. So here you can see I've done another line in the opposite direction, from the other corner to the other corner, and this means that we then capture the whole domain that we're interested in. And now you can see we've captured the whole field and we've got streamlines of everywhere we're interested in. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it's been helpful.